election to the Himachal government now in a major setback for the Sukhu Sarkar. The Himachal Pradesh High Court has directed that the withdrawal of all privileges granted to 6 Congress MLAs appointed as chief parliamentary secretaries with facilities equivalent to cabinet ministers. The court issued a strong rebuke ordering the revocation of these benefits and questioning the rationale behind such appointments. Another big setback coming in for the Sukhu government of Himachal Pradesh. Lalit is joining us live on the bulletin to give us more details as the court has withdrawn the privileges of these 6 chief parliamentary secretaries. Lalit, first of all, please give us details of these 6 MLAs and also talk to us about what kind of privileges were they enjoying that the High Court had to come down heavily on the Sukhu government.
It's a big jolt to the all 6 CPS who have been appointed in the Sukhu government. They have the privileges like the cabinet minister rank, and Himachal High Court have now heavily come on upon these CPS and have withdrawn all the privileges which these 6 CPS have been getting from the past 2 years. If we talk about the 6 CPS which have been appointed in the Sukhu government, they are Sanjay Awasthi, who is the loyalist of Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. He is the MLA from Arki. Other than that, if we talk about, it's Sundar Singh Thakur, who is from the Kullu MLA. Then it's the Ram Kumar, who is from Doon constituency. Mohanlal Brakta from the Rodu constituency. Ashish Butel from the Palampur, and Kishori Lal from the Bajnath constituency. So these are the 6 CPS who have been appointed by the Sukhu government. Now all the privileges have been withdrawn by the Himachal High Court. A petition regarding this has been filed by the BJP leader Satpal Singh Satti and other 11 BJP MLAs regarding this, that the public exchequer money is being wasted on these CPS, as there is no constitutional post like CPS. If you talk about the amendment of Himachal Pradesh, out of the 68 MLAs, it has got the privilege of 15% house strength who can become the cabinet ministers, and the number goes to 12. But apart from the cabinet ministers, 6 CPS have been made by the Sukhu government, and looking into this now, the Himachal High Court have given a big jolt and setback to all these 6 CPS, as all the privileges which they have been drawing from the past 2 years, they all would be withdrawn. So it's a big jolt, a big setback to all the 6 CPS. Back to the studio.
All right. In fact, let's also show our viewers the statement that has come in from Veer Bahadur Verma, who's the advocate who filed, who spoke on the Himachal Court's final order in the Chief Parliamentary Secretary case.
देखिए, ग्राउंड में हमारा जो था बेसिक ये था कि जो 91st अमेंडमेंट थी, एक ये ग्राउंड था 164 को जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो आर्टिकल है उसमें कहा गया है कि जब ये नियुक्तियां नहीं हो सकती, आपके पास कोई मैंडेट ही नहीं था, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कोई प्रोविजन नहीं था। जिस हमने शुरू में, जैसे आप लोगों को ज्ञात होगा कि हमने डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर और इन सारों की नियुक्तियों को चैलेंज किया था, परंतु फिर बाद में हमने वो प्रेयर्स हटा दी थी डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर को लेकर। फिर हमारा मेन थ्रस्ट था कि जो ये नियुक्तियां हैं CPS की, चीफ पार्लियामेंट्री सेक्रेटरीज की, इनको बनाना है वो संविधान में कहीं पर भी इंगित नहीं है। कोर्ट ने हमारी बातों को माना और इसके लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो कानून है स्टेट ऑफ असम का बिमलॉन्शु रॉय, उसमें बड़ा क्लियर लिखा है कि सरकार के पास कोई पावर्स नहीं है इस तरह के एक्ट को बनाने की, और क्योंकि लेजिस्लेटिव इनकम्पिटेंस है, और कोर्ट ने इस चीज को माना है। परंतु फिर मैं दोबारा से वही बात दोहराऊंगा कि अभी हमें जजमेंट को पूरी तरह से स्टडी करना होगा। जजमेंट मुझे लगता है कि आधे 1 घंटे में या घंटे भर में शाम तक ये अपलोड हो जाएगी।